Today's video is going to show you some of the new features that we have in our Starter Hut mobile application. This is primarily designed to go on any Windows tablet or an iPad wirelessly to run your T-sheet. Let's first go make a couple tee times. I'm going to go into the T-sheet. You can see I have some tee times here. I'm going to click 11:45. I'll hit book a tee time. We'll select some people from the database. We'll select Fred Rogers. Fred's already has a tee time today. I already have him on the tee sheet. There's a warning message. That's okay. I'm going to allow it again. And then it gives you the suggestions of who he typically plays with. I'm going to hit reserve. And you can see the reservations on the tee sheet. If I want to set cart, I'm going to give a half a cart to all those folks. Click OK. And you can see now that they have a cart. So let's go ahead and check them in. I'm going to click on Fred. I'm going to hit check in. It's going to take me to the POS screen. In this case, it's a season pass holder and a half a cart. We'll finalize the sale here. Dana, check in. Finalize the sale. Loyalty points, I'll say no. Take cash, and maybe Andrew's paying for both. And we'll finalize sale and take cash. So as you can see, I have a single that's marked as paid here. I have a foursome that's marked as paid here. Let's go take a look at what the application looks like on your iPad. So on your iPad, which is here, you can have an app or an icon, or actually just a URL that takes you to the actual tee sheet. Now this can be used. This can be used on a PC. This URL can be used on a PC, again on an iPad, any kind of mobile device, and it's going to give you a good representation of your tee sheet. But ideally, this is going to be for your starters. So your starters can see the tee sheet. They can see what's going on. Here's the reservations that are on your tee sheet that we just made, and the starter can quickly and graphically see who's paid. Those are the green color backgrounds. And here's some of the features that you can do with this application. So for example, I'm going to click on Fred, and I can assign a cart number. I can mark him as teed off. I can move or edit the reservation. You can even take a reservation through this mobile app if you'd like. But let's do this. We'll click on Dana. And I'm going to click on menu. And I'm going to touch on electric signature. One of the nice new features that we've added to this application is the ability for your starters not only to get the cart number, so they're going to be on cart number 21, but also for them to be able to sign the cart rental agreement on the first tee. Now, once your starter has the cart rental agreement on the Starter Hut mobile application, you're going to notice that the lid of the cart here will turn blue. So it's again just a quick graphical representation that, yeah, we did get the signature for the cart. If for some reason there's damage to the cart and you need to go and look up that transaction, for example, if I'm back on the tee sheet and I'm going to click on Dana's name here, by the way, you can also see that a signature has been captured. Again, the lid of the cart changes to blue. If I click on the cart and I click on sell history, this is going to take me into everything that's happened with the cart, including how the cart was set. I'm going to view the sale, and at the bottom you can see that there's the view the cart agreement button and the print cart agreement button. So if I click view cart agreement, it certainly just shows that this is what's going to be produced off to the receipt printer. That's the signature that was captured on the iPad. There's the cart number that was captured on the iPad. And then, of course, if you want to print that, you just hit the print cart agreement button. And this is going to print, I'm just going to print preview it, but this would print out on your receipt printer. There's also a report in the reports module that will give you a list of everybody that rented the cart, their signature, and their cart number. If you have any questions on the feature, please give us a call. Thanks.